Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Isabella's Kitchen. What we're making today, Isabella?
Little cookies.
Little cookies? Yeah! Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, wait a minute, you've already made cookies before. Yes we have, but we're not repeating ourselves. We made a big cookie last time in a skillet, didn't we? Yeah? And that was lovely, wasn't it? Woo-wee!
Yeah.
But this time we're going to make normal sized cookies. They're going to be even better than Millie's cookies. They're going to be delicious. And what we're going to kind of do along the way, chocolate sauce on it. Perfect. Yes.
And sprinkles on some glitter.
Yeah. Glitter. Now we're going to get started. So for every good cookie, it starts exactly the same way. So we've got our sugars and our butters. Now for this one, we're going to be using 115 grams of light brown sugar and 110 grams of white caster sugar. So we're going to pop that in there. Yeah, put it all in. Okay, we're going to add in our butter. So we've got 125 grams of unsalted butter. I put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. It's not melted, but what it's done is it's made it a little bit softer, so it's just going to help us when we're mixing it up. And if you've got it straight out of the fridge, it's going to be a bit more solid, and the whisk is going to be splattering it all over the place. And it's fun, but we'll leave you with the most tiny kitchen. Okay, you're going to mix them together? Yeah? Oh. Yeah. You're going to keep on going with this until it turns into more of a paste. You're not going to see any of the grains sugar when it turns into a nice paste that's mixed together. You're going to keep on doing this for a good couple of minutes. Okay, so next up we're going to add 1 medium egg. Are you going to do that? Let's get cracking. Yeah, and then let's get whisking. Okay guys, so next we're going to add in our dry ingredients. Now we've got 200 grams of plain flour. Do you want to put that in there? We're going to add in 20 grams of cocoa powder. Half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So we're going to mix all that in with a spoon now. We're going to fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, get it all mixed in there. Okay, so we've got our perfect cookie dough there, and we're going to add in the chocolate. So you want to be adding around 200 grams of chocolate. Now it's completely up to you whether it's white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, whether it's chocolate buttons or pieces of chocolate. What we've done is we've got baking chocolate, and we've got each piece and cut it into quarters, so we've got nice chunks of chocolate. The reason that we're doing this, it's just personal taste. With chocolate chips, they're designed to kind of go as sponges or in cookies, and they don't melt as quickly, so they hold the shape. Whereas with the baking chocolate, it kind of holds its shape, which is what you want, but it also melts a little bit quicker, so it just makes them a little bit more kind of melty and gooey, and that's what we want, don't we? That's what we like. Now we've got 150 grams of extra dark chocolate, and we've got 50 grams of milk chocolate. The reason we've done that is because the bar that we bought of dark chocolate was 150 grams, so we forgot to buy a second one. But it's also because we like putting a bit of milk chocolate in there, because that melts a little bit sooner, and it adds a bit more creamy, milky, kind of melty chocolate in there. So that's the real reason we've done it in there. So we put that in there. So I can say 200 grams of chocolate. It can be chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, whatever. It's up to you. We chuck it in. Oh yeah. Oh, we're getting posh. There we go. Oh, no, it's going on the floor. You can't save any to eat. We're putting it in here. No. No. No, we're not saving him. Put him in there. So we're going to cover this with cling film now. We're going to put it in the fridge for 1 hour. The reason that we're doing that is just so that the flowers have a little bit of time just to absorb some of those wetter ingredients. The flour! It's just going to allow it all just to combine a little bit better. Okay, so we're going to come back in 1 hour and we'll see you then. Bye! Okay guys, we've just taken it out of the fridge, been there for 1 hour, and we're going to start putting it onto our baking trays. So the recipe we've got here is going to make around 15 cookies. And we're going to use a small ice cream scoop today. We don't need to. You can just use your hands, grab it out there, roll it into a ball, or you can use a spoon, anything you want to. So we're going to use this. We're going to use an ice cream scoop. Yeah. Come on then. So we're going to do 15 cookies. We've done first 8 of them, just as, but for the next 7, we're going to be popping some peanut butter inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the scoop like we have been, but we're going to be flattening it out as much as we can into a bit of a disc shape, and then we're going to be putting a dollop of peanut butter in the middle, and then folding it back over itself and squashing it down. Okay guys, so they're all done. As you can see, the ones filled with peanut butter are a little bit bigger. Now we've preheated our oven. You want to set it to 200 degrees for an electric oven. If it's fan assisted, 180 degrees. So we're going to pop these in now. You want to put them in for around 7 to 8 minutes. And then you're going to take the baking tray out, leave them to cool down a little bit, and then put them onto a baking rack. So we're going to do that now? Yeah? Check them after 7 minutes. If they still look like they're too gooey, don't try taking them out at that point, just put them in for another minute. Especially for the ones that are a bit bigger because they're filled with peanut butter, they're going to take around 8 minutes. The mistake you might make if you take them out too soon, yeah, if you take them out too soon, they might not hold together, so just when you try and get it off there, you might find that the middle's sinking in too much, which makes a bit of a mess of your cookie. Everybody likes the gooey cookie, but you just want it all be in one piece when you pick it up. So we're going to pop it in, we'll see you in 7 to 8 minutes. Bye! Okay guys, I can't even tell you how ecstatic I am that they've actually worked out, because I was 50-50 on whether the peanut butter was going to leak out of the cookies, but it's not. So now here's the big test. I'm going to break one and we'll see if the peanut butter's nice and gooey inside, okay? You ready? Look at that.
I want to see the peanut butter. I want to see the peanut butter.
Not nice? Okay guys, thank you very much for watching another episode of Isabella's Kitchen. Make sure that you click subscribe and turn on your notifications. We've got regular episodes every Tuesday and Thursday, but we've got some special episodes coming soon in between. And we've also got our Halloween episodes coming next week. So make sure that you do tune in, because we can't wait to show you what we've got in store, okay? Make sure you check us out on Instagram. It's isabella's.kitchen.adventures. If you send us your pictures of your cookies, let us know your first name, where you're from, and any kind of special ingredients you've put in to make yours the perfect cookie for you. There's a chance that we may be showing your picture in one of our future videos. Yeah, ooh, look at that. Melted. As always, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!